everyone. My name is Karen O'Brien. Welcome to Boston and the Burbs. Today we're going to talk about seller concessions. What is it? It's short and sweet, so stick with me and I will be right back. You're buying a house and you made an offer and the price is right, but something bothers you. But now you're talking with your agent, such as me, and you bring up the fact that the garage window was broken or the furnace is clearly ancient and should be replaced before you even have an inspection. How about this? Bricks are missing on the front stairs. This is where you need to ask for a seller concession. This is the time where you'll have a conversation with your agent. And when it's time for the purchase and sale, you're requesting these 3 items. Number 1, it's a safety issue. So you're buying a home, you're probably paying top dollar, and you should have the opportunity to feel comfortable and safe as soon as you move in without having to do a lot of work. These are basic requirements for a home, so it's not an unreasonable request. You can ask in the offer for these to be fixed before closing. I must tell you, in the Boston market, it's a seller's market. Anything you can do yourself and you really want that house and it's a competitive market, then you probably have to suck it up. But you can still ask, if your offer is accepted, you can still ask for a seller concession. Maybe they can credit you $1,000 to fix the stairs, fix the window. It's more like $8,000 to put a new furnace in. So that's a conversation you have with your agent. In another type of market, you could be asking for $1,500 to cover these little things. You could ask for $8,000 to cover the furnace and you'll do it yourself. But in this market, markets dictate what you can ask for and not. So unfortunately, they can say no. So that's my tip for today. I will see you next Wednesday. I post every single Wednesday. Please remember to hit that subscribe. If I can answer any questions, please leave them below. Thank you. Have a great day.